I saw it on my way into work. I want to look at it. Figured, why not make an easy little video for myself, right? I think my clutch is not fully disengaging, which is great. I'm gonna make this a quick one. I found it on Marketplace after I saw it, because, you know, I was like, what the hell is this car? I thought it was a BRZ at first. There might be a BRZ sitting next to it, I don't know. The one I saw was lime green and it was nice, next to a blue something. So I could be wrong about the blue one being a BRZ. We'll find out when I get up there. There's a guy that wants me to do some dirt road riding. I'll definitely do that for you, my man. Just gotta give me a couple of weeks, because I'm an every other week kind of poster at the moment. And I gotta figure out where it's at, as well as get out videos that I've already had planned. So 2 weeks from tomorrow, I'll have a video for you, my man. Wrong road, shit. Nope, it's right there. It's a Mustang that was next to it. Fuck. Alright, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna be sketchy for a second. You can already see the Slimer green that I'm talking about too. Literally just gonna, I could jump on this sidewalk if I was less worried about legal repercussions. I would ride this fucking sidewalk over to that and just get over. Oh, nice little Triumph looking thing. Hell yeah, brother. I'm not gonna trip out this light at all. Ah, fuck. I'm just gonna have to like scoot my way in there, bud. I was gonna say, oh no shit, but oh, it's because they turned red. So hit that driveway, and then skedaddle. Okay. There's a nice looking car. It's actually a Scion. Scion, however the fuck you say that. So it's a nice car. Ooh, that's got carbon fiber on it. I like that. It's a nice Mustang. I think there was window stickers in this, right? Private sale. Hell yeah, bro. Let me snag some pictures of this shit without breaking my fucking ankle. We'll totally throw these pictures up in the video. Oh, I like that Mustang. Oh, it's a Shelby? Oh, shit. Scion FRS. Oh, made in Japan wheels too? Let's go. So, if I recall, I don't know if it's a manual or not, but it's got a bunch of Rocket Bunny stuff on it. But I also like this Mustang too. I'm gonna snag some pictures of this for the homie, because I told him I'd take pictures of whatever was next to it. I'm embarrassed to say I thought it was a BRZ when this whole time it was actually a Shelby GT350. Dope. Hell yeah. I would look in these cars, but that one's got hella tint, and that one's got hella tint, and I also have a helmet on, so I don't know, but yeah. Just a dope ass car. I gotta get out of here and pick up my girlfriend so she doesn't get mad at me. Cool. Anyway, like I said, very short video. I just wanted to see what that was. It caught my attention at 5:45 in the morning. Oh, that's a nice car. I don't know what that one is though. That black one. I'll have to look it up and put it in the overlay, but it is nice. I fuck with that. I like these imports, man. I don't know shit about them, but I like them. I'm like most boomered out 20-something-year-old you're ever gonna meet, boys. So anyway, now I gotta fucking skedaddle. Sure as shit ain't going right there. I'm going to the light down here. No cars. Dope. I'm totally gonna blur out his phone number just because I don't know when y'all are gonna be seeing this video, and I don't want to accidentally dox somebody. You know, they could sell it and then get spam calls from someone later on. Like, I don't get many views, but all it takes is one to randomly blow up, and suddenly a guy's got thousands of phone calls. You got that FRS? Is your fucking fridge running? You know, that type of shit. So I'm gonna try to preemptively do that. I'm gonna bully my fucking way in here. If you think you're gonna cut me, bitch. Oh, this is about to be a road rage incident. Anyway, look forward to this bike on a dirt road in a couple weeks. And then some random Honda videos. I really need to go back to once a week once I get some videos stacked up. Also, it's kind of crazy wearing full gauntlets on the dyno, but it was cold as shit this morning. Now it's hot. But low-key, gauntlets are kind of a move on a bike that doesn't require gauntlets.